the land issue of University of Hyderabad. When this university was initially established, this university was allotted 23 hundreds of acre. And there was a clause in that allotment letter. This land should be used only for academic purpose only. If university uses this land for some other purposes, then government has all right to take back this land, university land. But so far in the last 50 years, we completely use this land for only academic purposes, research purposes. So we never deviated from our actual spirit. And in the last 50 years, this university brought Lawrence to this region. We have produced great scientists, scholars, politicians. Today, Bhatti Vikramarka, Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana, Sridhar Babu, Industries Minister, both are alumni of this university. There is another MLA. So this university contributing a lot to society. So we request Telangana government to leave us like this only. Should not interfere in our land and our administrative affairs as well. Friends, see, now the question is this 400 acres of land. See, they are not talking about the initial allotment. Okay, some compensation was given in place of this 400, but that was also again got taken back. Some 130 acres, 34 acres were given to NGOs. Again, some 17 acres were taken away from us for laying road to NGO colony. Again, 200 acres were taken for Tata Institute of Fundamental Science. So almost whatever the compensation was given to university, that was actually taken back. So, and more important is, we have some 3 very important lakes on the campus, and this 400 acres is basically the main catchment area for this lakes. So if government takes back this 400 acres land, the biodiversity is basically at stake. So we humbly request the Telangana government to return back this 400 acres land to the university. We have been safeguarding this land from encroachment and all other things. So if this land is with us, it is safe. And more importantly, in this Hyderabad city, we have very small lung space. And in this area particularly, Gachibowli area, this is only the lung space. So I also request the neighbors who are living around the university. This is not only the issue of University of Hyderabad and students and teachers. It is basically issue of the Hyderabad. If we lose this 400 acres, a huge lung space, we are going to have serious health issues. Already this area is identified as one of the highest polluted area. If you go that side, you will see how big trees are actually erected. So this is a very disastrous thing. It's actually shameful to Telangana government not having any common sense about our environment. It is very important to protect environment. Today, as a researcher, I can tell you the serious issue going to be in this world is environment, not any other issues. We'll very soon will have a day where we'll be carrying our own oxygen cylinders with us, like we are carrying now water bottle. The day is not so far. So once again, I request the Telangana government to actually withdraw all their effort to grab our land, and immediately take back all the bulldozers and police from here. We are very peaceful people. Whatever we do, very democratic way we do. Our students, teachers, administration is really very cordial and very peaceful. So once again, I request the Telangana government to stop Telangana people to support us. This is basically a common cause of the whole Hyderabad city, and everyone should come out and protest against the Telangana government's move. And I request Telangana government, at least now they should rethink and leave us this land with us, so that we'll protect that land forever. Thank you so much.
This campus, Hyderabad Central University, we can see all the students are in protest of our day 3. As we all know, it's 400 acres of land which is rich of flora and fauna have been destroyed by the Congress-led Revant Reddy-led government. And once this land was given to this Hyderabad Central University, it was said that whichever part of the land is going to be used by the government, it will be used for only educational purpose. But now what we can see is that it is totally being used for commercial purpose. So the student community of this campus will not tolerate this, and will work for this. We'll strike till our last breath for saving the land of HCU. Right now, we are coming from the East Campus where this destruction have been happened. We went there. Police have been lathi charged all the students who have been there, and we strike there. We fought there. Students as well as and teachers have been went there. Teachers went there. They saw what is happening on the East Campus. Trees are cutting down. So many things are happening. They came back. Now we are going to fight. We are starting our sit-in protest for the day 3.
ఇప్పుడు మా భూములు మేము అడుగుతున్నాము. లేడీస్ మీద కూడా లాఠీ చార్జ్ ఏంటి? లేడీస్ మీద లాఠీ చార్జ్ ఎలా చేస్తారని మేము ఈరోజు అడుగుతున్నాం మిమ్మల్ని. ఇప్పుడు అమ్మాయిల మీద లాఠీ చార్జ్ ఏంటంటే మేము ఏం చేసాం? ఏమైనా క్రైములు చేసామా? ఏమైనా మర్డర్ చేసామా? ఏం చేసాం? మా భూములు మేము అడుగుతున్నాము. రాత్రికి రాత్రి ఉగాది చూసుకొని, ఈద్ ఉందని చూసుకొని, లాంగ్ వీకెండ్ అని చెప్పి రాత్రికి రాత్రి వెళ్ళి ఎవరేం అడగరు అనుకుంటున్నారా? మీరు నాకు అర్థం కాదు. మీకు నచ్చినట్టు చేసే స్టూడెంట్స్ మాత్రం ఊరుకోరు. స్టూడెంట్స్ మహిళల్ని ఆల్మోస్ట్ 50 మంది వరకు చూస్తున్నామండి. చాలా మంది అరెస్ట్ చేస్తాం. చాలా మంది క్యాంపస్ లో లేరు ఈ లాంగ్ వీకెండ్ అని. కరెక్ట్ టైం చూసుకొని 24 గంటల్లో బుల్డోజింగ్ మొత్తం చేసుకుంటూ పోతున్నారు. ఇలా చేసుకుంటూ పోయి స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏమన్నారు అనుకుంటున్నారా? స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నాము, అందరం ఉన్నాము, ఏబీవీపీ ఉంది. క్వశ్చన్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాం. ఆయన రమ్మనండి. గుండెనక్కలు ఆయనే పెద్ద గుండెనక్క. ఇక్కడ ఆయనే వచ్చారు, ఫుట్బాల్ ఆడడానికి వచ్చాడు. గుండెనక్కలు అన్ని చూసాడు, భూములన్నీ పట్టుకెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు. ఎందుకు లేవు? జింకలు లేవా? ఎన్ని జింకలు చూస్తున్నారు? ఒకసారి వచ్చి చూడమనండి ఆయన్ని. జింకలు లేవంటారు, నెమలు లేవంటారు. మేము రోజు చూస్తున్నాం. ఏంటి? ఆయనే పెద్ద గుండెనక్క. మాకు మా భూములు కావాలి, అంతే. మాకు మా భూములు కావాలి. మీరు బయోడైవర్సిటీని డ్యామేజ్ చేసి ఏ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేసినా అది పనికి రాదు. ఉన్నది ప్రిజర్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇండియాలో మోస్ట్ ప్రెస్టీజియస్ యూనివర్సిటీ మరి యూనివర్సిటీ ఆఫ్ హైదరాబాద్ అనేది. దాన్ని మీరు డ్యామేజ్ చేసి ఇలా చేస్తుంటే ఎవరు ఊరుకోరు. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎప్పుడు మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉంటారు. యుద్ధం ఎప్పటికీ ఆగదు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి.